In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through the cable kickback exercise, otherwise known as the cable hip extension, and we're going to be doing this in what's called a quadruped position. This is why I've got this bench just slightly side on to the cable machine, and you'll notice in my hand here, I've actually got an ankle attachment. So this and how it works, I'll try and face it towards the camera, is I'm going to pop this around the ankle, I'm going to feed it through the hooks. So for me, I would be feeding it through both. There's slightly different versions of all the ankle attachments, but for me, it's 2 settings and I loop it round onto the Velcro, so that's tightened in. What you'll then notice is at the back, I've got this little hook and that's where the carabiner fastens into. The quadruped position that you're going to be getting into, I'm going to make sure firstly that is at the front. Once I've hooked in, the quadruped position is I'm going to have one knee on the bench. I'm also going to have both hands on the bench for support. I'm then going to make all my weight centered on the bench. I'm going to bend my knee, and from here I'm looking to kick directly back, squeezing the glute and making sure my core is engaged whilst I do the exercise. So here I've got all my balance on the bench. I've got the leg out the way of anything that it's going to hit. And from here, I'm squeezing the glute as hard as I can on the way up. Now, what I want you to do is make sure that when you're kicking, you're not kicking too far in each direction. You're coming straight back and you're not using excessive lower back to cheat the movement. So think core nice and tight, back completely straight, and from here, come up and back down. Don't try and get that extra range of motion by using the lower back. Of course, the target muscle is the glutes, so if you're feeling the lower back, that would be an indication that you are doing something slightly wrong. That's the cable kickback in a quadruped position, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.